Hello, welcome to Radiant Resilience. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to give yourself a little massage when you get those knots between your shoulder blades, followed by a stretch. And this is something that you can do yourself if you don't have anybody around to work those knots out for you. So what you want to do is you want to find a corner. A door jamb works really well, or the corner of a wall, and then you're just going to lean into it. Find that spot in between your spine and your shoulder blades, any of those places that feel a little bit tender, and you can kind of move up and down or sway side to side. You can get in closer to the shoulder blade, maybe do some shoulder rolls. Ooh, I just hit a spot right there. And then you can move in closer to your spine. Make sure you do both sides, especially if you get knots on both sides. We tend to carry more tension on one side than the other just because we use our bodies we don't use our bodies symmetrically. But work into all those different spots. You can get up a little higher, you can get down a little lower. After you do that, come down onto a chair and you're going to cross your arms, hold on to the outsides of the knees, and then widen your knees as you drop your head. And just kind of pull, so the legs are pushing out as your hands are pulling in. And then come back up, switch the cross of the arms, and go again. Head drops, neck is relaxed. Take a great big breath in, let it go, and release. So that's it. Easy peasy. One way that you can do a little bit of self-care without the need of anybody to help you. I hope this is helpful. Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you'd like to be notified of new videos. Thanks. Bye.